how to use the freight calculator on parts.cat.com. In an effort to improve our customer service, we're now offering multiple shipping options. This video will show you how to use the freight calculator on parts.cat.com. This means that Toromont Cat will arrange a carrier and charge the freight to your order direct from our online ordering platform. You now have the option to have your order shipped directly to your job site, your office, or any destination of choice when you need it. Simply choose between the different shipping methods listed in the drop-down menu. All options with the note prepaid are going to add shipping fees to your order. When selecting your shipping instructions, make sure you select Ship Prepaid to avoid billing errors. All shipping charges will be added to the parts.cat.com order. If you want us to arrange shipping and to be charged directly by your carrier, you need to select Use this option to ship collect as a shipping method, no matter which carrier you use. Then select Use my carrier specified in the special instructions, collect, for shipping instructions. Don't forget to enter any special instructions in the space dedicated, like your carrier name and account number. In the additional order details section, verify that the parts you're ordering are correct and that the shipping address and method are accurate. If you're satisfied with your order, click on Place Order. You'll then be provided with an order confirmation page that you can use to reference your order in the future. For questions, call 1-866-440-4043 or visit us at toromontcat.com. See our additional videos to learn how to set up your customer preferences and the various ways to find the parts that you need on parts.cat.com.